I'm back, y'all. Cordell Davenport, smallapartmentinvestors.com, preaching mindset plus skill set plus performance equals results. Check out the website, smallapartmentinvestors.com. Get your free report. Have your family living expenses be covered by small apartments that you own. And as I mentioned, and I continue to say, everything starts with mindset. It's a foundation of all personal growth. And there is a weave that consists of thoughts, goals, self-discipline, self-talk, affirmations. And I've addressed some of those previously. And in this one, in talking about mindset, I'm going to continue to talk about thoughts, but also talk about affirmations and how they can help you accomplish your goals. And so when it comes to self-talk, it changes thoughts. And as I mentioned to you all earlier, that thoughts are things, thoughts are very important. And thoughts change beliefs, beliefs change attitudes, attitudes change actions, and actions would change your future. Now, if you want to break the cycle of negative thoughts, you have to repeat positive statements. These are called affirmations, statements of the reality that you want to create as if it's already true, although it hasn't happened. They can help you erase fears, change attitudes, focus on what you want for yourself, make beliefs, create focus, create confidence. And to use affirmations, you have to speak in the present tense and describe what you want as if it's already accomplished. Let's say that you're afraid of heights and don't want to be afraid. So make an affirmation. I'm enjoying being high up. I love these views. Although you may not feel that way, you can trick yourself into believing the commands that you give yourself and acting as if it's true. Now, when you hold yourself back, aren't you acting as if you believe your fears to be true? Over time, the affirmations you tell yourself will become just as powerful as the old negative statements. Now, to reiterate, these positive statements should be in the present tense as though they have already happened. They've already been accomplished. When using affirmations, say what you want, not what you don't want. Don't say, all right, I will not lose my temper. Say, I am relaxed, calm, and patient. Don't say, I won't break my diet. Say, I prefer nutritious foods. Don't say, I'm getting fit. Do say, I am fit. Now, let's say that you have found out that your car is in the shop and needs major repairs. You say, I can't pay for this. Why me? How do I get to work? This thinking makes you feel upset. That kind of thinking doesn't provide a solution to get the situation. Focus on how to make it better. Focus on what you want, not what you don't want. Change around something like, I'm grateful that I have this car. It has provided me with good transportation in the past. And now I know my car is going to be in the shop. It's only going to be a little time. I can always get a ride from a coworker and pay them. Now, you notice how you change your feelings. It would change what you say to yourself. Negative self-talk greatly limits us. If you are constantly saying to yourself, I'm not smart, I won't ever amount to much, you probably won't try to learn a new skill. That's because learning a skill doesn't fit in with what you're telling yourself. Thus, become a prisoner of your own beliefs. Nothing has changed when you first change your self-talk, except the signals you send to your brain, which cause you to feel a certain way. But this simple change has huge impacts. Remember, the mind is a cockpit in the airplane. Your mind controls the body. Telling someone you hate your job cannot help your job. By telling yourself you are unhappy with your job, you are most likely will not like it. If you want to change certain behavior, sometimes the trick is to say the exact opposite of what you feel or what you currently do. If you're always late, say to yourself, I'm always on time. I'm always on time. If you want to quit smoking, don't say, I have to stop smoking. Say, I no longer enjoy smoking. Smoking is disgusting. If you want to stop procrastinating, focus on the benefits you can achieve. I enjoy getting things done on time. So those little examples that I just relayed to you has nothing to do with buying and managing small apartments, but they're transferable skills that you can utilize And sometimes you may have to get a pen, a paper, or write yourself an email and create things. So if you have a certain goal that you want to achieve, whatever it is, write an affirmation. Look at those affirmations, read them out loud. That can help. It's helped me. Once again, go to our website, smallapartmentinvestors.com, get your free report, have your family living expenses covered by small apartments you own. See you later on the next one. I look forward to still talk to you all about mindset.